Welcome to Tapaz, a place where every corner tells a story.
And every story is actually with 𝗏𝗏𝗏, the spirit of hard work.
Pagbakas, the essence of hard work, resilience, and perseverance flows through the veins of the 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏 people. Nestled in the heart of Tapaz, this vibrant community is more than just a cultural landmark. It is a living testament to the spirit of Bakas.
The stories of our ancestors are kept alive through the rhythmic beats of the Binanog dance.
The Binanog dance mimics the flight of the hawk, a symbol of freedom and strength. With every sway and step, it tells tales of bravery and love, connecting us to our roots and to each other.
The Binukod, the chosen guardians of our customs and traditions. They hold the wisdom of generations, their stories a bridge between the past and the future. Bakas, the heart of Tapaz, where hard work and tradition simmer together to create 𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗄𝗏, a cherished delicacy.
Wrapped in banana leaves, this native chicken dish blends the warmth of ginger and lemongrass, offering a taste of home that nourishes both heart and soul.
Magkaunta sang Tinoom.
𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗄, a stunning masterpiece of nature that serves as lifeblood for rice fields of surrounding barangays. The waters reflect the harmony between human endeavor and the natural world.
Bakas, the spirit of hard work, resonates deeply within the faith of the people of Tapaz. Faith is not just practiced, it is lived with devotion and unwavering commitment.
This is Tapaz,
a land where Bakas is not just seen but felt,
a place that calls you to leave your own mark
and discover the heart and soul of our cherished home. Welcome to Tapaz, where every journey returns to its beginnings, and every beginning whispers tales of Bakas. Nagbakas, nagabakas, kag padayon nga magabakas. Bakas, Tapaz!